Hi you guys, this is Queen Gypsy. I just want to let you know I am here at my retail store, the Vapor Gypsy. My dad's going to be here all day with my nephew and his girlfriend. We have the DD5000. It is a disinfectant and it will kill coronavirus and other things on hard surfaces. It is only $32 for a gallon. You can come in and pick it up. We have 2,000 of them. We've sold quite a few this morning, as you can tell, but we still have plenty here and we have more on the way. So delivered these this morning and just want to let you guys know that we have them. So please, if you're looking for something, this is a hard surface. I have been told that you can make your own wipes with them. You can take your own roll of any kind of paper that you have, any kind of hand paper, whether that be some of the seafold towels or any kind of little paperlet piece that you have. I wouldn't use Kleenex, it's something with a harder surface. And you can take those, you can cut them in pieces, pour them in something with some of the solution. Now you are going to for sure want to use gloves if you're going to disinfect and use these as your own homemade wipes. So just make sure that you guys have gloves on if you do that. I do not suggest submerging yourself or your hands with this product, but definitely use gloves, and you can use it as a surface cleanup if you can make your own wipes. You can even get a spray bottle. You can spray this stuff, you guys. Leave it for 10 or 15 minutes. It will disinfect and it will kill everything. So if you guys want to look it up, it's DD5000. It's a cleaner, disinfectant, sanitizer, fungicide, and virucide, okay? This is EPA registered disinfectant. It effectively cleans, sanitizes, and disinfects surfaces for hospitals, nursing homes, schools, food handling, and processing areas. So you can wipe your kitchen counters with this, you guys, okay? So, and an instructional kitchen. It has all of the information it needs. It says kills human coronavirus in 10 minutes, and it is ready to use. It is the perfect solution formula to be able to kill that. You guys can use this in your kitchen, wipe down any of your surfaces. I've been using this to wipe down all of my groceries as they come in. I get little rags and I'll spray everything down, wipe my groceries as I accept them at the front door, handles, knobs, everything. You can use this to wipe down your cardboard. You guys, it can live on cardboard for 48 hours. It lives on metal for 72 hours. It lives on plastic for 48 to 72 hours. So this stuff lasts on surfaces, you guys, and that's the main thing. Whenever you get home, you need to take your clothing off, be able to go and put that in an area and get yourself disinfected, wipe down all of your surfaces, wipe down handles, everything that you use. So a friend of mine owns a hazmat company. He had